aking makakausap. Ayun na nga, kaharap ko na si Bimbi.
Hi, Tito Oji.
Hello, Bim. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Hindi, sakto lang. Siyempre naman, Tito Oji, fan ako.
Bim, dito ka na ba titira? Hindi ka na ba pupunta ng Pilipinas?
Actually, 2 days, I'll be back na home to, you know, see Kuya, to see our family.
Oo. Paano yung schooling mo? Dahil alam naman natin na si Bimbi talagang nakadikit lagi sa mama niya.
Oh, yes, of course.
So, paano mo mahahatiin naman yung katawan mo dahil kailangan mo na mag-enroll?
Actually, now, Tito Oji, kasi now, I'm homeschooling now. And, syempre, maraming distraction dito. So, I need to go back home in order to finish talaga. Na-focus talaga. You know, sabi ni Mama na it's time for you to experience what it's like to be a normal high schooler.
So, sa Manila ka na ulit?
Pero, Kuya Josh kasi goes back and forth from Manila to Tarlac. So, syempre naman, I have to make him bantay sometimes. So, pabalik-balik naman.
So, masanay ka kaya dahil alam naman natin at ikaw mismo talagang lagi kang nakatutok sa mama mo. Tapos this time mag-aaral ka. So, paano yung setup mo ng mama mo sa inyo? Video call na lang.
Every day dapat. Kasi, actually, alam mo nga, Tito Oji, funny. Kasi, I was supposed to leave on the 21st. Eh, hindi hinaya ni Mama. So, sabi, Bim, cancel flight na lang. Hindi ko kaya. As in, naka-impake na ako, ready na yung ticket. As in, like, 5 hours before I leave to the airport, cancel. Kasi hindi ko na yun.
Oo nga, ang alam ko talaga, paalis ka na. Magkakasalisi tayo. So talagang hinintay ako ni Bim.
Siyempre, I love you kasi.
Imagine mo, hindi pa nag-artista si Bimbi, meron na siyang stage mom.
It's a blessing and a curse. Joke lang. It's a big blessing na I have a mom who cares so much na she cares so much. Oo, yan lang.
Siyempre, yung iba parang ang laki-laki na ni Bimbi, tapos parang hindi pa rin maiwan ng nanay. May ganong impression na...
Ako, for me, hindi yan problema, Tito Oji. Kasi I have the best mom nga in the world eh. So, why will it be a problem? Diba? Tsaka, we've been through a lot and she is the number 1 person here. And the number 1 person in my life talaga. So, it's really not a problem.
You really cannot imagine kung what if one day, kasi sabi ni Chris gusto ko lang makatapos si Bimbi yung college, okay na ako. So, kay Bimbi, okay ba sa'yo yung okay kay Chris? Okay sa mom mo?
Whatever time God gives me and Mama, yan? Parang, when it was Mom's birthday, nagsulat ako ng letter.
Okay.
And in the letter, I said, parang kasi during that time, during Mom's birthday, medyo parang things were not looking the best. But they're okay, but they were not looking the best. So, I wrote in the letter na, okay, Mom, I know times are tough, pero I'm so thankful na, kasi diba, I'm 17 now. I'm so thankful na I had 17 years with the person I love the most. And, di ba nga, other people, they only get to spend 10 years, 5 years with the person they love the most. Swerte na ako na 17 years with my world, my universe, di ba? So, whatever time, whatever God gives us, blessing na yan.
So, parang advance ang iyong acceptance.
Oo, kasi when did we learn about Mom's illness ba? 2018. Ako, took me a few years to really accept. To really accept lang. Took me 2 years to accept. And after acceptance, you learn to surrender lang.
At ini-enjoy mo yun na lang yung bawat araw.
Yes, oo.
Gising si Mama, buhay si Mama.
Laughing si Mama. And, that's the best thing that I hear every day. Yung laugh ni Mama. At saka, the feeling I have when I'm with my mom is indescribable. You really can't explain. Parang, I really can't explain how much I love my mom. Parang, above words na yan
Tuwing kailan natataranta si Bim pagdating sa mama niya? Kunwari nanghihina si mama mo, yung nakikita mo na parang hindi okay ang mama ko, parang kailangan ako ng mama ko. May mga ganun ka bang iniisip?
May ganun, pero syempre naman, hindi ako Diyos. I can only do so much to alleviate her, to help her, diba? Pero, at the end of the day, I can't fully take it away, diba? Kasi, tao lang ako. Tao lang si Mama. So, what can I do? All I can do is love her, support her, take care of her. Yan lang.
So, kahit ba sa kabila ba ng karamdaman ng mama mo, binibigyan ka pa rin ba ng assurance na ng mama mo na huwag mo kong alalahanin?
Fighter kasi si Mama Fighter talaga. Super Fighter and tsaka All My Titas. Really